ये बंधन नमस्ते।
Kavirima, can you tell us what welcome drink is this?
Black jaggery coffee.
Black jaggery coffee.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So we've been given this warm towels to freshen up, and the welcome drink is water and black jaggery coffee. I'll tell you how it tastes now. Heavenly, so soothing. It's opening all the tired knots in the brain, actually. So we are heading to our rooms, and our chauffeur is Harshita. She is a localite, right? From Virajpet.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay. So we have golf carts here. How many golf carts are there in the property?
So we
10?
have 9, sir,
9
for the guest use.
Okay. So the rooms begin from here itself, huh?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
So this from here the cottages begin. So
Cottages
all the
begin.
cottages look similar.
Similar, okay.
From one cottage will be shared by the 2 guests.
Okay, alright.
So we have 4 categories of cottages. We have luxury, superior luxury, suite and hidden lotus cottages.
Luxury, superior luxury,
Suite and hidden lotus cottages.
sweet and lotus.
Hidden lotus.
Hidden lotus, nice. So veranda is the
This is a veranda. It is a
Okay.
souvenir shop where they'll be
Okay.
selling the organic product
Wow.
like coffee, pepper,
Okay.
elaichi,
Okay.
honey here. And we have a small library here.
Okay.
And Blossom to Brew activity will be conducted
Here.
Yeah, it
Okay.
will be open from morning
Uh-huh.
9 o'clock to night 8 o'clock. It will be open.
Okay. Okay.
And we have pool also. We have
Alright.
2 pools. We have indoor pool and outdoor pool.
Okay.
Indoor pool is a temperature control and
Correct.
outdoor pool is a normal pool.
Normal pool.
Both pools are 4-feeted pools.
Okay.
And we have spa. We have Western spa and Ayurvedic spa.
Uh-huh.
So spa will be operated from morning 8 o'clock till night 8 o'clock. And
Okay.
if you want to take an appointment, it starts from morning 8 to evening 6 is the last appointment time that you can take.
Okay. Morning 8 to evening 6.
Yes.
All right.
And we have a yoga temple also,
Alright.
and we have a special instructor for the yoga also.
Okay.
So yoga, we have 2 sessions, one at morning and one at evening.
Okay.
So morning one will be included in the package.
Mhm.
The start is morning 7 o'clock.
Oh.
So 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
Okay.
And evening session, so evening will be 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock it will be there. So it will be an additional cost.
Okay. All right. Morning one is complimentary, I mean
Yes.
included, and evening one is
Yeah.
supplementary charges.
Yes.
Hi. Huh?
अभी वो मूवी याद है इसका जो अक्षय कुमार जो वुडन हाउस में रहता है वो पेड़ काट देता है जो म्यूनसिपालिटी वाले आके याद है
और ये अपना
वेलकम
वेलकम. हाँ 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 वैसा लग रहा है ना. Wow, look at these bamboo structures. I mean these are bamboo plants, right?
Yes.
Not structures.
No, no.
Yeah. So tall.
So you can see the pillar of
Correct.
the cottages also.
Correct.
It's
Correct.
quite
Quite steep, yes.
and there is no fences for the safety purpose.
Right, right.
So if we slip, so it will be
Yes,
completely
yes, yes.
earth
And I'm sure during the rainy season it must be even more dangerous, right?
Yes.
So was this decision taken of no kids allowed below 12 years after a certain experiments and certain
No.
right from the beginning it was
We have
okay.
the child.
Okay. Wow, we are going up and up.
Yes. Till top.
Huh? Develop now? Yeah. At least. Yes.
So this is our indoor recreation center where we
Okay.
have 16 types of indoor games. All traditional games are there.
Okay.
And this is the place where all the activity starts. Like plantation walk.
Okay. So you have to
and
assemble
stuff.
here.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
From here, the guide will take you.
Okay. So what is the name of this place?
Recreation center.
Recreation Center. Okay. All right.
Shall we proceed?
Yes, we can.
Comfortable?
Very much. You are a wonderful host. Oh, nice. This is something awesome. I'm sure during the monsoons,
The water
the water,
will be
yeah,
filled.
very
Yes.
fierce.
So compared to this waterfalls, we have in the restaurants also we have the same waterfalls.
Same waterfalls.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that would be great during the monsoon.
Correct, correct. I'm sure. Fabulous. This is fabulous.
So this is our restaurant.
Okay.
So restaurant come attached bar we have.
Okay.
So restaurant will be open from morning 7:30.
Uh-huh.
Morning 7:30
To
to 10:30.
10:30,
The
right.
breakfast will be served.
Correct.
And lunch starts from 3:30, 12:30 through 3:30.
3:30,
And
right.
dinner starts from 7:30 till 10:30.
10:30, okay.
As a package includes
Wow.
breakfast, lunch or dinner.
Yeah.
So you have to come for it.
Correct. Correct. Awesome. Oh, you have to go that slow, is it?
Yes, sir. Because the
wooden
as it
planks
is-
are.
yes. And the sounds it will hurt the guest.
Correct, correct, correct. Oh, so there are rooms beyond this restaurant also?
No, like we have to go further, sir.
Oh, we have to go further.
Yeah.
So we have to
There-
call the front office? Or?
Yes, we have to give a call to the front office.
Okay.
Either you can, if you're like, if you're allowed to walk, then you can take the walk.
If you are? Love to walk. If you love to walk, yeah. Yeah, so I saw that. Even Zafar told us that it's better you walk because the buggy takes 15 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes.
20 minutes to come. So if you're really old aged, then.
Yes. So,
So the crest is the
it's a
restaurant.
conference hall.
Oh, conference hall.
And so we have a Kaveri is a water bottle planting.
Nice.
We have a
Own water
yes, own
purification.
water, which will be served for the guests.
So you're
as
total
well.
focusing on sustainability, huh?
Yes.
Eco-sustainability. Fantastic. Oh.
So So this property is completely in the circle shape. So if you
Okay.
so it,
Is it?
you
Oh,
can
I got it
go
now.
for it, like you
From
can
here
go
we reach the reception.
yes.
Okay, okay,
And,
okay.
And the shape of the property is 8.
8.
So like
So now
the restaurant
the
is in
bottom
the middle.
bottom circle is done. Now we are
Yeah.
at the upper circle, is
Yes,
it? Kind of.
Kind of.
Wonderful. So which is the slim season here, like monsoons? Monsoon is okay. But I think on weekends also you must be getting quite a good
Yes, weekends and so weekdays it will be
difficult.
But
So do you all get any corporate offsites
yes.
during weekdays and all?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Really.
you do. Okay. So that's a room.
Yes.
Okay. So that's not bad for today. 223 or 224?
223, sir.
Okay. Alright, we'll take a room tour. Can you light it up? Yeah, I'll take the room tour. Thank you. And now we are entering a beautiful den for tonight. This category is
Luxury.
luxury cottage. Luxury, right?
Luxury cottage.
Luxury cottage. Wow. Awesome. And here we go. Wow. Guys, this is not just nature. We are in the nature and this is a heavenly abode. Trust me. Feels like we are above everything. This is some achievement in life to stay in this luxurious superior property.
So and if you need a buggy service, so it will take 10 to 15 minutes. Kindly inform priorly. So if you require anything more.
Sure.
And this is a the room number is 223. Wi-Fi password is 37512.
Oh, this door opens, is it? Wow.
For the like.
Hello. So we are off to the pool side. In fact, pool में कूदने जा रहे हैं हम लोग और आपको ट्रेल दिखाता हूँ कितनी सुंदर है. अलग ही खुशबू है नहीं यहाँ पे एकदम ऐसे ऐसे लग रहा है आयुर्वेदिक रिट्रीट टाइप रिजॉर्ट. वैसे है ही थोड़ा ये मेडिटेशन और योगा, शांति, सुकून. बच्चे कोई नहीं, ओनली एडल्ट्स अबाउट 12. इट्स अ लवली प्रॉपर्टी. यहाँ पर आपको आने के लिए थोड़ा मतलब बहुत लंबा ट्रेल है. मदिकेरी से 1 से 1.5 घंटा लगता है नहीं, मदिकेरी से ऑलमोस्ट 1.25 घंटा तो पकड़ के चलो आप. 1 hour 15 minutes. तो वैसे आपको आने के लिए काफ़ी दूर है लेकिन वर्थ इट है. और मिनिमम 2 night स्टे तो चाहिए एटलीस्ट. एक नाइट में आप ज़्यादा कुछ कवर नहीं कर पाएंगे. मतलब वो एक्टिविटीज़ और पूरा रिजॉर्ट एक्सप्लोर करना, कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशन जाना, स्पाइस प्लांटेशन देखना, फिर वो उनके जो योगा में और योगा का जो मॉर्निंग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री 45 minutes का क्लास है. उसके अलावा दे ऑल्सो हैव अ बर्ड वॉचिंग क्लास. सो इफ़ यू हैव टू कवर एवरीथिंग यू शुड हैव अ मिनिमम 2 night स्टे. यहाँ पर क्या क्या है? पिकनिक स्पॉट, इलायची ट्रेल, ट्रैकिंग ट्रेल, रिसेप्शन, एवरीथिंग टू योर राइट. ये बीटल नट है. हाँ, सुपारी.
ये
हमारे घर में होते हैं काफ़ी है. अलीबाग में.
ये हमारे साइड वाला.
हाँ, साइड वाला है. ये चीकू है ना?
ये
वेरी नाइस, ब्यूटीफुल. Okay, so we've reached.
है filtered है, इसमें जा सकते हैं.
हाँ हाँ.
Filter रहेगा ना, तो ये करते हैं.
Yes. जिम भी है क्या इनका? सो यहाँ पर ये आउटडोर पूल है और दिस इज द इंडोर पूल. चेक द वाटर, वार्म है क्या? ल्यूकवार्म, ल्यूकवार्म.
नीचे का इसका है सर. वो जी. ये इधर जी नहीं है सर.
किधर? अच्छा. Here is the gym.
Guddu, he's jumping. Superman. Ha 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 ha. Start. Nice. Very dangerous. No, 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 no.
What is it called? Pradaka. It is a kriya, one of the cleansing techniques.
Okay.
So we just sit out of the eyes. So
Cleansing
for
of
the,
the eyes.
like, are you aware of the chakra? So it depends what you're looking into. Like, if you're looking into the Pradaka as well.
How many treatment rooms are there?
6 rooms, sir.
6.
Yeah. The 2 rooms is Ayurveda and rest rooms the West.
Okay.
And 2 couple room we have, sir.
Okay, 2 couple.
Yeah.
All right. So 2 Ayurveda, 2 couple, and
A
2
rest room.
and rest are. So okay, thank you.
बगी ले जाएगा अपने को.
हाँ ले जाएगा ना.
बोल 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 बोल.
Excuse me. Are you going to the pickup point?
Sorry, sir.
The program that Blossom to Brew coffee plantation.
You want me to drop you?
Yeah.
Thank you. Is this way?
No, back.
Yeah, back side.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So they actually take us to the coffee plantation?
No, sir.
No.
Not a coffee plantation. Blossom
Okay.
Tour is nothing but like it's a beautiful session
Uh-huh.
where evolution of the coffee
Okay.
and the story behind how it came to India,
Right.
and a live demonstration will be given by our naturalist
Okay.
regarding dry coffee beans will be roasted in front of you,
Oh.
powdered, and that same powder will be served as a cup of coffee to you.
Okay.
And naturalist will explain about the types of coffees
Correct.
and mild one, strong one.
Okay.
That
Get
coffees,
it.
signatures, everything will be explained by our naturalist.
Okay. All right. Hi. Namaste. Oh, so apart from souvenirs, you also have.
We have our own spices. honey.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe we got cycle.
Cosmetics, soaps. Very nice. So there is a library also here.
One magazine fragment for Tamara or something like that. We are working on it, so we don't have that.
So this is the place where this program is going to be conducted, Blossom to Brew. From raw coffee seeds to the actual coffee powder that reaches our kitchen. And here they have these souvenirs for sale. So there is imitation jewelry. I don't know what these are, bangles, some kind of bangles. There are artifacts. Very nice. Some idols of Buddha and Indian gods, Lord Shiva. Oh, they have binoculars also. These are very old style, probably a century ago or even more than that.
I'm 30% of Robusta. Okay, Robusta because
This
it's strong
Blossom to
coffee.
Brew was a very, very informative and interesting program, especially the origin of the coffee seeds, how it was discovered, what are the different types of coffees. Raw seeds are processed and then converted into coffee powder and reach our coffee table. So I've made a separate video on the same. Do watch it on my channel. Trust me, this is one of the best coffees I've ever had in my life. So here we have come for dinner now. So you all can see the Christmas decoration over here. This is the deck. Hi. Is this the place where dinner is served? Yes. Okay. So it's not buffet?
It's buffet.
It's buffet.
We have like on the other side.
On the other side. Okay. Stir fry baby corn and sweet and sour vegetables. Mushroom ragout and pasta alfredo. Aloo palak and kadai paneer. Bindi do pyaza and Jaipuri veg. That's lasuni dal, navratan pulao, and this makai ka shorba. This is Awadhi chicken and kadai mutton. Wow, this is prawns, new bung, and chicken in oyster. And the soup here is cream of chicken. Let's see what's there as condiments. Also curd rice is there, curd is there, salads, different types of salads and pickles, and we have chaat also. This is buttermilk, and then we have salami, ham, again we have cajun fish, smoked chicken salad, fryams and papad, and this is rasam. Manchurian yum kebab. So we can get some fried chicken very good. वो साउथ इंडियन इधर रखा है, स्प्राउट करी. Yeah. They should also tell us, no?
This is pork. This
Jalapeno
is
fish curry. Wow, I love this. This is pork. This is saffron, badam kheer, Gulkan kalakan, rajbhog, fruit truffle, balushahi, and here is 4 flavors of ice cream, cut fruits, apple, strudel and mango based food. You can come in. dates walnut pudding and malpua.
इधर रखो 2 प्लेट
ये क्या है? This is anda. Ghee roast. Egg ghee roast. And the fish tawa fry.
सर जस्ट
I'll give you the first aerial view of the morning of the entire estate. Come with me.
This is tadka idli. This is steam idli. This is sambar. 2 types of chutney, gunpowder, and some oil. This is cheese platter, flavored yogurt. Then this is Yakult. Chicken ham, pork salami. This is mixed fruit juice. Then we have pista milkshake, orange lassi, beetroot juice, detox water, buttermilk, sprouts, cut fruits. Then we have few dry fruits, honey, cereals, boiled eggs. Sauces, kadla curry, puttu, upma, sauteed corn, baked beans, and porridge. These are the live counters, eggs to order, pancake, French toast, chola bhatura, and let's see what do we have here. Filter coffee, plain tea, masala tea, ginger tea, Bella coffee. Hi. Assorted muffins, donut, croissant. Croissant, egg, without egg. So our stay in the Tamara Coorg is ending today and it is time to say goodbye. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, जो आई एम श्योर आपको पक्का लगा होगा, तो हमारे चैनल को
सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले और फॉलो करना ना भूले.
यस दैट्स द ड्रिल. और ये देखिए फाइनल पार्टिंग विजुअल्स.